To purchase a Vanguard S&P 500 index fund through ETRADE. The process is straightforward and quick. Begin by logging into your ETRADE account using your user ID and password on the ETRADE website. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Buy VOO, then select the S&P 500 option from the search results. This will direct you to a screen displaying the current price and historical data for the S&P 500 VOO index fund. From here, click the Buy button, which is typically located at the top of the screen. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to invest in the index fund. Simply enter the desired amount and click the Preview button. Review your order to ensure all details are accurate. Then confirm by clicking the Place Order button. Once this step is complete, your Vanguard S&P 500 index fund will be purchased through your ETRADE account.